Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce a product called Smart Power Strip. After using a few days, I want to share some my thoughts about it. Okay, we can use this product in two ways. One is by app in your phone, the other is by eco. First, I'll show you use this product by app. Now, number one, click this app, like this app called KMC Smart, and choose the fourth KMC Power Strip. As you can see, there are 4 virtual plugs and 1 USB. And you can click number 1 like this. Oh, you can find the indicated line is on. And number 2 like this, also the same result. And number 3, number 4, and of course click a USB plug button like this. Yeah, the light is on. Of course, you can also click this virtual button, click close all, and this indicator light will be off. And okay, the second one is this plug can be controlled by eco, like this. Alexa, turn on 3.
Okay.
As you can see, like this, and like this. Alexa, turn on KMC Power Strip.
Okay.
Like this indicator lights will be on. And if you want to close all this, Alexa, turn off KMC Power Strip.
Okay.
As you can see, like this. And these are 2 ways you can use. You can use this smart plug. And if after watching this, do you like it? If you want to buy, just have a try. Now, I will share a new product called Smart Plug. They can, like this, they can be controlled in 2 ways. One is by app in your phone, the other is by eco. First, use this product, Smart Plug, by your phone, like this. First one, click this app, and choose the Smart Plug. And you can find there are 4 virtual plugs. And first, you just click TV, and this product will be on. And like this, and like this. Also, you can find there it has an electric statistics. Like this. Okay, and this app has an alarm function. For example, you can choose TV and click add timer and choose time you want to set, like this. And also you can choose when it will work, like Saturday, half day, Friday. You can choose 3 or 4 as you like this. And then just click save. And this instruction will be carried. Okay, the other way is by your eco, like this. Alexa, turn off Smart Plug.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, like this. And also you can do like this. Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on AV.
Okay.
Like this. And Alexa, turn off smart plug.
Okay.
After using a few days, I think it is a worth buying. And if you like, just buy it.